We're about to start the Lancia. I'm just topping up the water. Obviously we're going to put some antifreeze in it, but we thought we'd start it up, make sure it's got no leaks before we do that. So far, so good. We've got the oil pressure up. We've run it over on the starter motor with no sparking plugs to get the oil pressure up. We've got the oil pressure up. So with any luck, it should go like that. So that's it, old boy. Here we go. So Alex has done all of this. He's got it all together. This is a dodgy moment, this is, because when you start an engine up for the first time, it always, if it sounds good, you can reckon it's going to be good. Sounds pretty good. Let it tick over. Bit more. Sounds really good. I don't know which one is the starter.
You want to start it again?
Yeah, go on. We want to get it warm, don't we?
It starts on the floor, isn't it? Right.
Ah. I think that's a success. Try the clutch, Alex. That's all right, isn't it? Does the clutch feel bite now, doesn't it? Obviously, this car was built from a limousine and they cut 4 foot out the chassis, and it was all done in the 40s by Steady Barker. Since then, it's had lots more done, and we've done lots more. We've got the brakes working and we've got the suspension to stop the wheels wobbling. But one of the things left over from the limousine is this horrible great big gear lever. So we thought we'd make a remote control. So this is the prototype. You know, obviously when you do these things you have to mess about. But luckily I had this bit here. This bit of alley is just an old bit of alley, and we've machined it up. But eventually this will all look pretty. But it works. You know, it's going to be a lot more racy than this old gear lever sticking out like that. So that is one of our next bits, really. Try and do the machining, and then we'll make it look beautiful. We'll probably have a slightly longer gear lever. We've also altered the mountings for the steering column because the owner, who's a very nice bloke, but he can't really get in it, and he said he wanted a smaller steering wheel. Well, putting a smaller steering wheel is not easy really, and that looks a really nice bit of old sort of Lancia, it looks like. I mean, whether it is or not, I don't know. We've made it so we can take the steering wheel off, which makes it very useful, and obviously will make it easier for him to get in. But anyway, what we've done, we've lifted the steering up an inch, which obviously is the same as making the steering wheel 2 inches smaller. So, you know, I think, to be honest, once he gets in it and sees that we've moved it up an inch, I think that'll be good enough. But, you know, we put this on, obviously to make it easy, but if he does want a smaller steering wheel, well, it ain't going to be a drama, we can do it. So what with the gear lever and hopefully the engine going nicely, we've also put a higher axle in the back. I had a crown wheel and pinion made for it. So you know, we've done a few good jobs on this car. We've got the brakes working better. We've got the front suspension. It used to wobble its wheels, and we've sorted all that out. So, you know, I think it's going to be a good car. And hopefully this will be the last time we see it. Well, we thoroughly checked everything. We've had it running. You saw us start it for the first time. And we've had it running on and off over the weekend. Alex has put all the bodywork back. So we're now going to take it for a bit of a run. Obviously we can't go silly with it, but in my opinion it'll be a lot better than what it was. So anyway, here we go. So if Tanya gives the camera to Alex, we can then take a bit of a film.
My brand new ride, 'cause I got a new car and the keys are inside.